हाउ यू कैन ट्रेड स्मार्टर विद एडीएक्स, क्योंकि सबको पता है कि एडीएक्स क्या है अभी एट दिस पॉइंट, माय ऑडियंस नोस. सो आई वुड लाइक टू शो माय एस्टीम्ड ऑडियंस कि न्यू ट्रेडर से आप कैसे effectively काम कर सकते हैं. So this is a neo trader page. Okay, now in neo trader we have got a very powerful page called as expert alerts. All right, in expert alerts is a page which has got a host of experts. Okay, it's got a lot of experts working for you. Now every day I share with you some expert, और उस एक्सपर्ट का पावर बताता हूं आपको, और आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करता हूं कि नियो ट्रेडर से आपका काम कैसे आसान होगा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू डू स्मार्ट वर्क? प्लीज टाइप ST ऑन द चैट. किसको स्मार्ट वर्क करना है? राइट. सो इतने सारे लोग हैं जिनको स्मार्ट वर्क करना है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी सेड, वी वांट टू ट्रेड स्मार्टर. तो स्मार्ट ट्रेडिंग करना है. तो स्मार्ट ट्रेडिंग के लिए आपको टेक्नोलॉजी की जरूरत है. मैं आज भी काफी लोगों को जानता हूं जो बोलते हैं कि मुझे टेक्नोलॉजी की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आई एम फाइन, आई वांट टू डू माय एनालिसिस. राइट, आई वांट टू डू माय एनालिसिस. So please everyone open your mind and accept that the world is changing. अगर आप चेंज नहीं होगे तो आप पीछे रह जाओगे. How many of you want to stay behind? Please give me a thumbs up. किन लोगों को पीछे रह जाना है? How many of you want to stay behind? Please give me a thumbs up. Right? I am not getting any thumbs up. Right? I mean, I'm getting any thumbs up. Okay, somebody you are putting thumbs down. That's good. So no, none of us want to stay behind. तो आगे जाना है तो टेक्नोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट करना पड़ेगा. और आज की तारीख में टेक्नोलॉजी और टेक्निकल एनालिसिस मिल गए हैं. And I am showing you a very powerful way to look at it. Why? Because this software, NeoTrader, is the #1 software for trading, and it's designed by the technical analysis guru, Dr. Narayan. And we are happy and proud to present it to as many people as possible, because many of you don't know. सबको लगता है कि पैसे बनाने के लिए बहुत सारा पैसे की जरूरत है. Not at all. मैंने क्या कहा आपसे? You need a very uncommon thing, which is common sense. Okay, hold on, watch what I'm showing you. You will see that how NeoTrader can make your life simple and help you become a smarter trader. All right, be a smarter trader, be a NeoTrader. Now moving on to here, this page, आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, there is something called as ADX rising. ये आपको बता देता है कि कौन से स्टॉक में ADX बढ़ रहा है. Right? This page helps you to focus on the stocks which are in action. This page helps you to focus on the stocks which are in action. Now, when you go here and when you take a look at these stocks, you immediately know, okay, these are the stocks that are in action. These are the stocks where ADX is rising. All right. So, आपका यहाँ पर step element 0 हो गया. Element 0 is immediately you know that these are the stocks. Now, how will you select the stock with ADX? Okay, how will you select the stock with ADX? चलो मान लीजिए हम इसमें से एक स्टॉक चुनते हैं. All right. Can someone type a stock on the chat? कोई भी यहाँ पर ADX rising है, बताइए. Any stock? Okay. First comes AU Bank. I'll take the first stock, AU Bank. So what I do is, okay, what I do is I go to my setup. You can see here, this is trading view. All right. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. I'll just show some names here. Okay. So AU Bank. You guys got to tell me whether it is satisfying the elements. All right. Is it satisfying the elements? Yeah. Yes. Why? Correct. So you can see here that it is satisfying the elements to the downside. You can see here there is a negative flow here. So what I'm showing you is at the end of the day. Okay, what I'm showing you is at the end of the day. Let's see some more examples. Okay, let's see some more examples here. Let's take a You can see here, right? You can see here that there was this move. Okay. Now you can see here that ADX is right on the upside and it is coming down. So this move you could not have taken. But then if you see here in this particular scenario, okay, just watch how this trade unfolds. You can see here that the moment ADX goes up, okay, the moment the ADX goes up, it gets reflected in Neo Trader. And you can see here that any decent size candle you see, you can participate. You can see here that you entered here 2231 to 2280. Now what has happened? Now it is flattened down and sloping down. Can you all see it? It's flattened down and sloping down. So it would not be a right time to stay in this stock. Can you all see it? Let's take another example. You can see here that the stock is waiting. Long body candles will be seen. Then you can confirm it with the momentum. So once it starts going above 25, you know you are in good stead. So once it goes above 25, then you can continue to hold till it starts sloping down. You can see here that after a point, you will see that the price is unable to move. And you will see here that the slope emerges and then you can exit your position. How many of you got this? Yeah. How many of you got this? Give me a thumbs up. You may see many types of candle. You may see a long body candle, but once ADX goes above 25, you will get it. You know that yes, now the trend will continue till it reverses again. You can see here. And then now it has ended. So basically you should have been out of Havels, right? Once it starts sloping down, you got to exit. Let's take a look at another example. You can see here that in this, you can also take multi-day trades. You can also take multi-day trades. You can see here that as the slope happens, all right, as the slope happens, you can see here that there is a movement here. Okay, it continues, right? As long as ADX is above 25 and you are getting, you can continue to participate. You can continue to participate. You can see here that once the slope is down, let me just show you. Here the slope was coming down, so you will not participate. But here the slope is rising. So you can see here there is a fall, slope is rising. So you can enter here somewhere around 1345. Then you can see that how the slope continues, right? How the slope continues. And then here it slopes down. So you wait, right? You wait here, you exit, and then you enter it again. You enter the trade again. Why? Because the slope has started. So you can know exactly how and where you should participate. As the ADX is rising, as long as it is about 25 and it is sloping up, you can participate in that trade. Getting it? Let's take a look at some more examples. Okay, let's take a look at some more examples. And now some of you, if you are just holding on to your position, okay, some of you, if you're holding on to your position, you can see here that as long as it is about 25. So now you can see here that it was sloping up. So you can short, you would have shorted on Friday. So now the slope has gone up. So if there is a potential gap down, you will be making some money in this trade, right? So now let's see some more examples of the recent week. Okay, let's say some more examples of the recent week, how it panned out. You can see here that this was on 20th of April. ADX rising was flashed. So this is from the Neo Trader page. You can see here that on 20th April, there was an increase in slope and you are able to make 1%. 1% तो आप बना ही लोगे, उससे अधिक इंट्राडे में नहीं बनेगा, but then you can track, you can track the whole flow. So if you had entered it here, it went all the way up till 380. So you made 15 points in Ambuja Cement. Right? You can see here that as it started sloping down, you have to be careful and then you have to trigger your exit. Right? How many of you are getting it? Please type ADX on the chat. This is ADX histogram. How many of you are getting an idea of ADX? How many of you are able to understand the elements? All right, great. So now you can see here that in this particular chart, for example, okay, in this particular chart, for example, the price had stopped rising here. So from here, the slope is happening. So it indicates that the momentum will die down. So you should have exited your position here. Okay, let's now go see some more examples. Again, this is on 22nd, ADX rising, right, in Dr. Reddy. So you can see here that ADX was rising. Neo Trader showed it. You put on your chart, you get confirmation. It's as simple. There will be stocks where Neo Trader will tell you to point your attention. It will seek your attention. Okay, it will seek your attention. And once you go to that stock, you can quickly shortlist and see where am I getting that. See MNM. You can see here that MNM, right? MNM is above, it's rising, and then there was a move, right? ADX has not risen up. Now it has come till here and it is at the same stage. So towards the end, the markets were also subdued. But you can see here when ADX rising, the stock comes, there is a movement. Sun Pharma, okay, ADX rising, Sun Pharma, and you can see here that not much of movement happened. You can see here this is on 13th. It's on 13th. So this happened at the end. So it might appear. Why I'm showing you this example is you will get a name, but if you are having a move at the end of the day, do not take it. If you're having a move at the end of the day, do not take it. So that's the whole idea. How to shortlist, how to go to the right kind of stock, how to evaluate, how to put the parameters in place. All these things is what I am showing you in combination with technical analysis. These are some more examples. You can see here on 18th April, BL had appeared and you got a very good move. Okay, you got a very good move on 18th April. And you can see here that ADX was above. You had this setup. It gave a move of 4 points, which is 15,200 per lot. Again, this is Glenmark. You can see here, you could have done a carry forward trade in this. Continuous slope up, right? Continuous slope up. So ADX आपको momentum के बारे में जानकारी देगा. Then you got to combine the other aspects of price and pattern so that you are able to maximize it. Okay, you are able to maximize it. So you can see on 20th April also, Glenmark was flashed as ADX rising. And you can see here that steady move has emerged all the way from 460 to 443. So you could have made a return of 9%. You can see the kind of returns which you are able to make when you are combining these simple elements along with ADX and gaining advantage. You can see here again, this is Tata Steel. It continues to be bearish. And you can see here how the entire move has occurred, right? It appeared on 20th April and it continues to be under pressure. It continues to be under pressure. Now we got to see how this moment, the entire move is extending now. It is entering the very strong zone. Again, Tata Steel is very powerful. Asian Paints, 21st April. Every day you will get X number of stocks, run it through these simple parameters which I have told you, and your job is done. How much time will it take? Yeah, guys, how much time should it take? If new trader is giving you X number of stocks, you are putting it through the whole flow. Yeah, some of you are writing 15 minutes, some of you are writing 20 minutes. If your template is set, if your chart is set, I think it will not even take 10 minutes, because you just have to put the stock and then do it. Go to the sector, find out which sector is weak. If from the weakest sector, if some stocks are there, that's it. That's all you need. Rules clear hone chahiye, right? Rules clear hone chahiye so that you are able to do it. You can practice it first and then implement it. You can see here in Asian Paints, you are able to make a stupendous return of 28%. Right? I am comfortable with 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. The rules are the same. All right. The rules are the same. I am comfortable with 30 minutes and I'm able to have a consistent performance on 30 minutes. So if you ask me, my recommendation will be 30 minutes, but then you can have your own choice. All right. So you can see here that consistent movements हो रहे हैं और consistent way में आपको पता चला. See, this is Havells. ADX continues to be above 25. Very good. As soon as the slope increases, you know that yes, that is a trade to participate. 21st of April, slope बढ़ने लगा. आपने participate किया, profit book किए, continue to hold. Right now, yes, there is a mild slope, but then you got to take a look at the overall view as well. All right. So you can see here that even in movements of Havells, you can see here that very, very good slope on 21st, movement of 11%, 11% gains in Havells. Fantastic move. Again, it was flashed on ADX rising in expert alerts and it did your job. On an intraday, you made around 13%, right? On 21st of April, it sloped up. You entered the trade and then potential profit was available of up to 11,000. So you can see here the kind of consistency which is there. You have got a set of stocks. You just have to apply these rules and your job is done. How many of you feel that now you can become a smart trader? Please type ST on the chat. Yeah. किन्हें लगता है कि अभी आप स्मार्टर ट्रेडर बन सकते हो? Okay, awesome, great. So those of you who are already part of the new trader family, they definitely know now how easier it is to participate, how you can participate, be part of this particular framework and understand. But I'm sure that there are many of you who are not yet part of this ecosystem and you want to definitely know more about how we can enhance your learning and enhance your capability as well. Correct? क्योंकि ये सारे चीजें हैं जो हम बताते हैं आपको कि कैरी फॉरवर्ड ट्रेड कैसे लेना है, इंट्रा ट्रेड कैसे लेना है, ये सारे चीजें को काम कैसे करना है. All those things are important and that is what I keep covering in all my workshops, because my workshop is designed to help each of you participate. You can see here in every trade आपका 4 से 5% तो छूट ही जाएगा, मिनिमम से मिनिमम बोल रहा हूँ. 4 to 5% of the trade of your capital you'll be able to deploy, you'll be able to generate the returns, you'll be able to generate. So no, those of you who are new into this ecosystem, you can leave your name and number if you want to know more about how to be part of this wonderful family of Neo Trader, so that our team will get in touch with you. They will show you how you can take advantage of Neo Trader Pro, because Neo Trader Pro is a software that has been designed with lots and lots of care and lots of love from all you traders out there, because we know that those of you who are part of the trading community, you need a very, very powerful team to support you. सबके बस में नहीं है एक टेक्निकल एनालिसिस टीम रखने के लिए. That's why Neo Trader Pro is the power of 1000 analysts. 1000 एनालिस्ट आपके लिए काम कर रहे हैं और आपको बता रहे हैं कि मार्केट में किस दिशा में देखना है, कौन से स्टॉक को देखना है और कैसे काम करना है. Yes, me and my team are available all the time. We keep doing such workshop to show you how a simple technical analysis tool can be done smartly. All you have to do is share your name and number, and our team will get in touch with you if you're not part of the NeoTrader Pro ecosystem, because NeoTrader Pro is a very, very powerful software, because we show you in NeoTrader Pro how you can become a professional trader. Well, all of you are wanting to be a professional trader, but then the thing is that we do not know how to reach that goal. And through NeoTrader Pro, you will be able to get very, very good idea about what we really do. Through NeoTrader Pro, you will know exactly how to be a smart trader. You'll know how to be a professional trader. And when you start participating, and I'm sure that you will be able to make consistent return. Because making consistent return is not a problem, but having a process that will support your vision is a problem. And that's what we do. न्यू ट्रेडर में हमारा कोशिश यही रहेगा कि हर एक ट्रेडर कैसे पैसे बनाएं और कैसे कंसिस्टेंटली पैसे बनाएं. So I'm sure that all of you have got very, very good insight, and all of you are very, very confident of making money in the market. And if you would like to know more about NeoTrader Pro, all you have to do is leave your name and number, and we'll be happy to connect with you, because NeoTrader Pro is for those who are serious about the market. Till then, this is Raja Venkatraman signing off. See you in the next workshop. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Till we meet again.